Hello, you are on Forex TV channel where you can learn about the latest financial market news. The euro found solid support from upbeat data on business activity in the eurozone. Then the euro got trapped in a narrow range, while the US dollar is making efforts to bounce back to earlier highs. So dollar bulls are unwilling to leave the market despite technical indicators signaling a decline of the greenback and Donald Trump's verbal intervention against the overvalued American currency in the interview on Friday. The US dollar index is consolidating at around 94.60. Investors are still certain that the US Federal Reserve will fulfill their pledge to keep its agenda for monetary tightening. Thus, traders are betting on the nearest rate hike at the policy meeting in September. Besides, they expect one more rate increase in December, though with some doubts. Nevertheless, analysts say that investors open long bets on the US dollar with caution. The reason is fears of the trade war, which could derail a steady path of the US economic advance. Doubts about sound economic conditions in the United States are based on emotions. However, a series of macroeconomic data proves the opposite. According to the survey by Market Economics, business activity in the services sector, one of the key sectors in the US economy, is marginally in pace of growth to 56.2 in July from 56.5 in the previous months. The fresh reading remains close to the record highs. The US manufacturing sector also showed a strong dynamic. The manufacturing PMI came in beyond expectations in July. The index jumped to 55.5, confiding the median forecast for a decline to 55.1. The US is due to release flash GDP data for the second quarter on Friday. The positive reading can assure experts that the US economy is on a sound footing. You were watching Market News on Forex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. That's all for today. We wish you profitable deals with Forex and waiting for you tomorrow.